So the best thing about the metric system, it's all in base 10. Everything goes up by tens, 10, 100, thousands. Now here we have some prefixes. A prefix is the thing that goes in front of meter, liter, or gram. Like you could put liter after kilo and make it kilometer. You could put meter after centi and make it centimeter. And when you see none here, that basically means that's where the meter, liter, or gram goes. Now here's how you can tell how things are bigger and smaller. The biggest one in the ones that we use the most is kilometer, and that is 1,000 times bigger than a meter. So if we think about that being 1,000 times, this being 10 times, this being 100 times bigger. So the most important thing that we want to know here is how much bigger is the centimeter or the meter from the centimeter. Well, this one is 10 times bigger, times 10 times bigger, but we want the centimeter one, so what we're going to do is we're going to say this one is 100 times bigger, and that's your answer, 100. But don't type in the X, just put in 100. That's your answer.